When you live in a humid climate like the climate of Chennai, where the summers are very harsh, there is a very good chance of a person getting dehydrated. So when there is dehydration, either due to excessive sweating or it could be also due to vomiting and diarrhea, the simplest method would be to take oral rehydration solution, that is ORS. ORS can be simply prepared by taking a glass of water, potable water. By potable, I mean water which has been boiled, cooled and filtered, with a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt and a few drops of lime. This helps in rehydration and replacing the salts that are lost from the body. Another problem which a person in Chennai could be exposed is due to lack of water is renal stones or kidney stones. This is because of the concentration of minerals like calcium and oxalates, which tend to form stones due to lack of fluid intake in the body. So it is very important that we take 2.5 to 3 liters of water in a day. Water, apart from this, water can also be taken in the form of soups, juices, buttermilk and tender coconut water.